Hello dear students and my friends. Today a continuous video of digestive system. We can start with pancreas. So before we discuss about pancreas, I will explain about the basic anatomy of the human body. We can divide our human body as head, thorax and abdomen. In the thoracic cavity, there are two main organs, heart and lungs are placed protectively by rib cage. So rib cage with the help of bones, rib bones, so these organs are protected. In between thorax and abdomen, there is a diaphragm which separate thorax and abdomen. Okay, students, we will start with pancreas now. So pancreas is a gland. So gland is a organ which secretes something. It may be endocrine or exocrine, but the pancreas is a special gland. It's also known as mixed gland, or you can say that it is a heterocrine gland. Why? Because it can secrete hormones as well as enzymes. The endocrine part of the pancreas secretes hormones. The exocrine parts of the pancreas secrete enzymes which help in digestion. Functions of pancreas. You already know that it is a mixed gland. It can secrete hormones as well as enzymes. Pancreas secretes several enzymes, amylase, which are used to digest carbohydrate, lipase are used to digest fats, and protease which are used to digest proteins. So these are the enzymes which is used to break down the key components of the food items, and it also works as a endocrine. That means it can produce hormones like insulin and glucagon. These are the hormones which are used to regulate blood sugar level. That means, see, our body needs sugar. Okay, so we are eating carbohydrate that is converted into sugar, and even fat also sometimes converted into energy. So our body cells require a lot of energy to function. So this is controlled by insulin as well as glucagon. How much sugar the blood can hold, that will be controlled by insulin and glucagon. You know that this control is not functioning well, that condition is known as diabetics. So therefore the people, those who have the problem of diabetics, they are taking medicine. Some people, they take insulin injection also, that is a hormone injection, to control, to regulate blood sugar level, because the blood sugar level will increase in the blood. That will create lot of problem in various organs in our body. Next is small intestine. Just before we discuss about the small intestine, we will see a structure is known as duodenum. It is just after a stomach and just before the small intestine. So duodenum is a U-shaped structure. In this place, the secretion from the liver as well as pancreas mix with food in this place. It's a U-shaped structure, and in this place only the bile juice and the secretions from the pancreas will mix with the blood. Okay, now we will discuss about the small intestine. It is a very long coiled tube of the digestive system. It is a very long, comparatively if you compare with the other structure, the small intestine is a very long structure. The complete digestion of the key components of the food takes place in the small intestine. So in small intestine only the complete digestion will take place, as well as absorbing nutrients, water, vitamins and minerals will take place in the small intestine. So in the small intestine, digestion as well as absorption of the digested food, water, vitamins and minerals will take place. It is known as villi. So villi is a finger-like extension. It's a specialized for the absorption. It is present in the villi are present in the small intestine, and it is very thin walled structure. It is finger-like projection present inside the small intestine to increase the surface of the absorption. It is very thin. It is, we can say that it is one cell thickness. The epithelial cells, you can see that epithelial cells, one cell thick wall the villi has, and it is very useful to absorb all the digested food, water and vitamin and minerals. So next important part, that is a last, we can say that large intestine. So you can see the picture in the slide. It is also known as colon, large intestine also known as colon. So we can see that it starts with cecum, and you can see the appendix also. So appendicitis, it is a problem people have. Even the doctors, when the doctors open the stomach belly for some other reasons, they should remove the appendix, because it is always dangerous and always not useful thing. It is appendix. Appendix means not useful. Okay, and so the large intestine, it will start from cecum. That means the small intestines become large intestine. There is a ascending colon, there is a transverse colon, there is a descending colon. So the whole large intestine is known as colon. Okay, and after that there is a rectum and last anus. And even the large intestine, here also the complete absorption takes place here, absorbing digested food as well as water, minerals, vitamin. So the complete absorption takes place in the large intestine, and finally the undigested food and the waste will be removed through rectum and anus. So dear students, now you must understand the basic concepts of our digestive system. So please see my videos again and again to understand the basic concept, and please subscribe my channel, and please forward this video to those students, those who are doing 10th CBSE or the matriculation. So these videos are very helpful for them. It is to understand the concepts. So before scoring method of studying, you have to understand the concept. So these videos are very helpful to understand the concept, core concept of the chapter. Thank you and have a nice day.